Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is David Lemon. You must probably know me already by now. I'm the community manager for Groove Digital, and I am the one who manages the Facebook group and also does video trainings and live streams for you guys to learn, to be able to build out your sites, to be able to know how to navigate the software. It is a pretty complex software. We are trying to always make it as easy as possible to use. However, sometimes you would like to do something that is not intended, or there is no training done yet on it. So this is where I help out to people. So I already get a couple of people joining in. Please, in case you came in, please say hi, say that you're here, maybe where are you joining you from, so I can see and greet you personally by your name. So I have Galif Ferguson saying this is right on time. I have Barry here. Hey, David, excited to be here. Hey, Barry, it's good to have you here. So yeah, in case you're joining in, please let us know where you are from so I can greet you and personally welcome you here. So I have Maria joining us here from Denmark. I have Jen from Dallas. Hi, Jen, good to have you here. I have a Facebook user from the UK. It's good to have you here. I have Baldy Lake from Florida. I have Mark Wise from Delaware. I have a Facebook user, Flint, Michigan. I have Michael from PA. I have Kimberly from Memphis, Tennessee. Lynn from London, Seattle, Facebook user. Okay, so we have a good crew here. I have Brian coming in. Perfect. Welcome, Brian. It's good to have you here. Mario from Montreal. Awesome. So we have a good team already joined us here. As always, Christine is here from Missouri. Hello, great morning. It's good to have you here, Christine. Okay, so Jeff is here. Jeff and Vicky from Northern Ontario, Canada. Perfect. So we have a good viewing today. So as you can see on the screen, building out an awesome affiliate page using GroovePages. So this is something that you will probably want to do, and there is a reason for that. I mean, a couple of reasons. Let me just explain. One, when you joined either the free account or the paid account in GrooveFunnels, you automatically became an affiliate for this awesome product. So you, as an affiliate, that means that you can go out there, promote this product, and earn referral commissions on basically promoting it. So this is an awesome thing that you can do, and you can get quite a good money because of that. So it is something that a lot of people want to get into, maybe to try pay off the full platinum version of their account. I've seen many people do that. Actually, they joined as a free member, and then they promoted the program, and then they got enough recurring revenue so that they could have purchased the platinum account, the paid account, with this GrooveFunnels software that we are working with. So as Christine already said, in case you are new here, in case you just joined us here for the first time, please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. This will allow me to see your name in case you're joining us from Facebook. So for example, let me show you an as example. I have Lynn from London. She already approved StreamYard, so I can see her profile image and her name. But somebody from Seattle didn't do this one, and unfortunately I cannot see and personally respond. So I would really appreciate it if you could go over to streamyard.com/Facebook. Christine K, she already pasted in the link. You would need to click on, and then basically you will be able to appear on my end of the screen as with your name and your profile image. So I have a couple of other users. I have Linda here from Iowa, USA. I have Alex saying hi. I have David here. Heather from the UK. First time catching you live. Perfect. Good to have you here, Heather. I have here Christine with this with this post. I have Yasha from Saskatchewan. I have Sue. I have somebody from Dublin, Ireland. I love Dublin. I lived in Ireland for 2.5 years in Dublin, and yeah, I love people from Dublin. They are so cool. I have a Facebook user saying, "Do you see my name?" Unfortunately, I cannot see your name at this moment. So, in case you would head over here to this site, streamyard.com/Facebook, this would let me see your name. Okay, I have Galen and Eva or Eva, and I have another Facebook user from New York City. Perfect. So I think we are ready to start with our presentation today. I just want to mention one thing. There will be people asking me questions. So for this one, I created this rule that in case you have a question for me, please type in question and then dash and then ask your question. How to do this, how to do that. Or at least just a Q dash and then your question. This will let me know that the question was meant for me. So in case you are chatting with somebody in the Facebook comments, then I will not read your notes or your comments. I will read only the ones that have question in it. Sometimes people answer each other's questions in the comments, so then I will be jumping over those. I will be answering only the questions or only the comments that have question in it. Sometimes there's like a couple hundred of questions in there, so this rule makes it easy for me to track and then see which one I answered and which one I didn't. Okay, so I have a couple of other people joining in. I will just read through. I have Muhammad saying hello. I have Jerome. I have Sam here. Tosh Mackenzie's here. Guy Green. Hello, my name. May have to dip, but I'm hoping a replay will be available. Yes, so everybody, the replay is available immediately after the stream is done. After this live stream, immediately it will stay on Facebook and on YouTube. So wherever you are, just look for the title of this video, which is building out an awesome affiliate page using GroovePages, or just affiliate page GroovePages. Just search for it in the Facebook group or on YouTube. You will be able to find it easily there. Okay, so I have Pravin Mankar from India. It is already very late there, so good to have you here anyway. I have already some questions coming in. I will be answering them later on. Let me just start my presentation so we can I can teach you something first. Okay, so we did this one. If you are new on watching us from Facebook, please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. In case you are watching us on YouTube, you don't have to do anything. So I mentioned these rules. So if you have a question, just please mention that this is a question and then dash and then ask away. Then this I will know that this is for me. So I want to explain what this affiliate thing is. What is affiliate marketing? For some people, they may not know this. So when you go out and then share your affiliate link, and then there's a lot of people doing the same thing. Okay, let me just move Pravin here. This could get very, very complicated and very complex. And for some people may look very spammy, and it is actually a competition. So there is just a certain amount of people that you think would be interested in this type of software. So you, as a person, you want to go out there and promote this software, and then you already have in mind a certain type of people that would be interested in clicking on your link. Once they click on it and register, then they are signed up. It is a hard-coded link, so hard-coded referral, so they are yours. If they decide to upgrade, let's say 3 months after, then it will still be your commission because you invited them over. However, as we have now, I don't know, 40,000 people in the Facebook group, we have, I think, around 80 something thousand people already signed up for an account in GrooveFunnels. If they are actually sharing their own link, let's say at least 50% of these people. This is 40,000 people promoting a link, which can get really, really spammy. So how to get the people to actually be happy and sign up through your link, not the neighbor's link, not the other guy's link who is very active? Why would somebody join your link? This is what you need to figure out. Every one of us has something that we are special about. Um, Even if you don't think that you are special, you have something that other people will listen to, that other people would like to hear your story or hear your experience. You are working something that they want to be, they want to know about, or things like this. um, you may know things that somebody else cannot know, and then this is where you are special in this type of thing. So sometimes it is enough for us to just explain our story, and then this way, once somebody hears our story, they would get enough trust so that they click on the link that you are actually sharing. So let me just show you, and basically let me just switch over. So when you want to actually increase trust and get people to sign up through your link, you can maybe offer them bonuses. You can offer them better bonuses than somebody else. You can offer them something that nobody else is. Let's just say you create a site and then you write out your experience with using this software. Just you mentioned how it helped you, what were the benefits that you saw, how your life improved. This everything is sales copy. This is sales text, and then sales speech. When you're explaining something to somebody that is looking for something that you have to offer, this is basically sales. You are not hard selling them. Yeah, you should buy this because that, them. But you are passively selling them on an idea. You are telling them your story. They will have an epiphany later on. Ooh, okay, so this happened to John, this happened to Christine, maybe this will happen to me as well. And this way you can sell. So if you just go out there in the Facebook groups and just blast your links over there, people will block you. Facebook doesn't like that. People will not trust you at all, even though you put pretty pictures of cats and all kinds of things. It will not work. Do the honest way, do it the non-salesy way. Give them help, help them as much as you can. If they have questions, you know who to turn to. You have the support team, you have the Facebook group, you have thousands of people there every day. Somebody is even there the whole day. And yeah, we can actually help you in case you don't know something, but go out there and help. Learn from experience. So basically, how did you join this one? Did you join through somebody's affiliate link? Go out there, search for it. How did they actually sell this benefit? How did you join in? Did you see a video? Did you see a sales page? Did you see? Just remember back and then learn from the experience that you already had and model what others are doing. For example, I in a couple of videos already I showed you what others are doing. There are a number one affiliate what is doing, and the next couple of affiliates and how they're actually earning their sales. Go out there, have a look at those videos, and you can learn from those a lot. Another thing that you could do is niche down. So, or niche down. Somebody's saying niche, somebody's saying niche. Anyway, what I mean by this, you as a person, in case you want to go out there and promote this software, this is an amazing deal. Everybody should jump on it. However, if everybody is targeting the same group, let's say I want to promote to ClickFunnels group because they are already in the same thing and they will click on it for sure. This is not always the case, because people that are in these ClickFunnels group or other like page builder groups, they already know about this. Most of them are already here. What you can do is niche down. For example, let's say that you are a dentist. I used this example previously, so I will just continue it. Let's say you are a dentist and then you know other dentists in your area, and then you maybe talked with a couple of them and you know that they would need a website. So what do you have? You have a link for a free offer that they can create a website for themselves. Imagine if you would give them this link, okay, go out there, sign up, and then this is it. But you could do something else as well. You can create already a dentist website, copy over this the code that you got from creating the website, and offer this code as a bonus. So you're not only sign the people up to have the best marketing software in the world, uh, but also your template that you created specifically for their niche, specifically to help them get more business as a dental service, as a dental company. Let's say you are in selling flowers in a flower shop, and you know other flower shops, or you know where to find the other flower shops. You create a bonus, and then let's say create a picture pack of different flowers that they could use, or something. Just offer something else as a bonus. You will stand out from the crowd. There's other thousands of people that are just promoting and blasting people with their email link, and then also getting them on the email lists, and then sending them again the same link without offering them any help, any bonuses, anything whatsoever, just their link. Be different, niche down. And it doesn't have, these bonuses don't have to be something very hard that you work hours. And I will show you in the end of this video and the end of the presentation, I created 3 bonuses for you. Completely, these 3 bonuses took me, I think, 5 to 7 minutes to create them. And then I can guarantee that I could get 100 people like this signed up through my link if I offered them these bonuses. I'll show you how I actually created them and what are these bonuses. They don't have to be very, very complex. And then be creative. Have a look. It is not only this software that has an affiliate program. Other softwares have affiliate programs. Other services have affiliate programs. Have a look at how people are promoting, let's say, a hosting service, or how people are promoting anything else from Amazon or something. They do reviews. They do video reviews. They publish on Twitter. They publish on this and that. It's a complete business. But in case you just take your link and just throw it out and hope somebody catches on it, this is not a good strategy. And this is my intro. This is what I wanted to tell you, that you need to be targeted. You need to have a specific target. You need to have a targeted group of people who you want to promote. My opinion is the best thing that you could do now is niche down. Get a specific targeted group of people. Let's say they are in the modeling industry, or they are in a restaurant business, or something like this. Somebody that needs websites, somebody that needs to sell something online. And this is who you should target. Create pages around those topics, and then create bonuses around those topics. So this is I have a guy saying can hardly wait to see them. I think he is talking about those bonuses. I'll tell you, I will give you those bonuses. You can use them if you prefer. I don't suggest to use them, because there will be thousands of people using them. And this is what I'm saying. Be creative. Don't just use already done stuff. I will buy a PLR book and then I will give it away as a bonus. This is not something people want. People want your help. People want specific help, specific answers to specific questions. You have where you can ask those questions in case you don't know the answers to them. Just join the group, message me, do whatever you'd like, but just don't do what all the other thousands of people will be doing. Think about something else that will be specific for you, that will make you special, and then will make your offer special. So this was my intro rant. I'm sorry if it was not satisfactory, but yeah, in case you don't succeed, it is only on you. You cannot come back, "Oh, David, you didn't help me. Those bonuses of yours were not good enough. Everybody's using them." This is what I'm telling you guys. You cannot blame anybody else except you. If you didn't do the bonuses, others basically people signed up through their link, they didn't sign up through your link. This is on you. They created the bonuses, you didn't. In case you just go out there and then just throw your links around on Facebook, Facebook will ban you. Then you will come and complain into our Facebook group. "Oh, this is bad. This is that." Of course, we don't want negative thinking in our group, so we will ban you as well. So don't do that. get out there, work a bit harder. It will pay out. I'm telling you, just do a bit of work on the beginning, and then later on everything will be easier. So yeah, I have a guy saying, yes, I am. No, I just want to see your ideas. Definitely create my own. I have a specific niche. Perfect. This is what I am talking about. Okay, so let me just go on and then tell everything. I'm creating this video because of the Groovion. I'm not quite sure if you saw the Groovion. In case you saw the Groovion video, please type in the number 5. I want to see those number 5 in case you saw the Groovion. In case you didn't, I will share this presentation later on with you. You'll be able to click on this link over here. It will transfer you over to the video I'm talking about, and then there will be a mark, I hope, for you as well. If not, I wrote it down here. This is what you need to watch. This is basically what I'm talking about. So please let me see those 5s in case you saw the State of Groovion. This was a webinar on Friday. It was presented by the co-founder of this software. It is Mike Filzame. I hope you were there. Okay, so I see Barry was there, Eva was there, Jeff was there, Wiki was there. Oh, I love that they are on separate computers. Galen was there. Carrie Lee. Oh, Carrie Lee, I don't know if you saw the video I created on Friday. I think I mentioned your website. You did a good job. Maria was there. Jen was there. Michael was there. Robert was not there. Okay, Robert, so you will be able to join in. I will share this video later on. iMedia Marketing Solutions was not there. Groovion number 5, awesome. Jerome was there. Facebook user 5. Robert, oh, actually Robert was there. Okay, so Joe and PA, hey there, awesome. Christine was absolutely there. And another Facebook user, perfect. So I don't know if you heard what Mike said around this time over here. I highly suggest you to go and watch everything that he said, but around this time he said something that really caught my attention, and I think that this is the time you need to jump on this affiliate thing. I highly suggest you go and watch it, how he said it, and then exactly the details he said. But what he said, that he and basically the company will hold an official launch that will be somewhere in August. Once these new platforms are out, like Groove Video, Groove Member, and all these feature like import websites and things like this, we will be holding a special. We will be holding a special launch where our affiliates will be able to shine. So this will be a launch using big affiliates that are in ClickBank and JVZoo and all kinds of these huge game players in this game. But you can win as well. We will have prizes like cars and PCs and whatnot, big prizes, like high ticket prices. So in case you didn't watch it, I highly suggest you to click in here or just go and watch the Groovion webinar. And around this time, so 2 hours 11 minutes and 41 seconds in, he starts talking about this. And this is why I want you to get on board now. Like, build out everything you need to possibly that you possibly can to actually go out there and then join the leaderboard on the top 5, the top 10. You will win big, not only the commissions, but you can also win prizes from the Groove Digital company. We want you to be our happy customer, and then the one that actually goes out there and creates more happy customers. There is no better marketing than happy customers, believe me, guys. And from this one, you will be able to learn when you create your affiliate program for your products. let's say, as I said, you're a dentist, and then you create a website with your product as a, I don't know, a dental package or something, and then you get on affiliates to actually sell this product for you, and you can follow this procedure, model it how we will be doing this launch and this competition, and then do something on your own. So please, eyes wide, and go into this affiliate thing. This is not only, oh, I will make a couple of sales and signups and then I will make $500. This is so much bigger, guys. If you really go out there and watch what is happening, take a closer look later on in the group, who are doing these affiliate offers, and then how are they doing it. Just model those that you like, that you think have a potential to win, and actually you will be joining us on the leaderboard. I am certain I will be joining in, giving my best that I am up there. I want to lead by an example to you guys, and to everybody else that will be joining in, to the people that you will be bringing in. So let's work this together, and let's jump in and then create something awesome. Okay. So I wanted to show you something that I mentioned a couple of times, so I will not talk about that. I wanted to mention the number one affiliates landing page. This is Tim Verdu. I think he's the number one. In my opinion, he is. I will just quickly show you his page. It is nothing like what I will be showing you today. He is building his own for his own products, but he's doing an awesome job. So in case you are looking for a good example, this is where you should definitely start. So teamverdu.com/GrooveFunnels dash review. Okay, you will be able to click on this link from my presentation. I will be sharing it at the end. So he basically created an awesome video. He explains what is GrooveFunnels and what's included, goes into depth on what are the options to upgrade, and he gives away these bonuses. So these bonuses make a big difference, guys. In case you don't have courses, or you don't have a huge affiliate or email list, you can give out bonuses which will really increase your chance of getting loads of more signups than somebody that is not doing bonuses. Okay, and he's giving more and more. He's helping people with specific solutions to specific problems. And I mean, this is an awesome site. Just go out there, have a look at this site. I don't suggest you copy it. Please don't copy it. This is the last thing I want to see. Everybody has a site like Tim is doing, but this is a good starting point in case you never did something like this before. Okay, I have a couple of people chatting on here, but yeah, I will just continue on with my thing. So just have a look at what Tim is doing, and then you will be probably having success as he is. Don't copy it, model it. Okay. So okay, I think this is where I need to stop. I will be going into my bonuses that I created and then sharing those with you later on. But I want to jump into and show you what we will be building out today. Okay, this is already a half an hour video. I didn't intend to do it this long, but anyway. So today I will be doing something that I didn't do yet. I will be using a template, guys. I'm not big on using templates, and I will show you a couple of reasons why, but this is what we will be working on. So this is a templated website. This is not the best website that you can do. I just took a template because this is the simplest thing and everybody can start this way. I pasted in the promotional video that is on our Groove Digital Facebook page. This is the number one thing I want to say. Don't use this one. This is a GrooveFunnels promotional video. Everybody is using this one. Listen to what it says. Listen to the content of the video and record your own. People want to see you. People want to see your experience, and they want to join your list. They are not joining in whoever this, I think Simon created it. It says, hi, my name is Simon, and I have something awesome for you. Just do something similar to this one. This is working very well. Don't copy it, model it, create something of your own. put in your own personality into the video and just record, okay, I have an awesome offer for you. If you join to this link, you get this and that. You can do this because when I was there, and tell your story, and then put you in your personality. And then, I mean, you have no chance of not succeeding in case you give it all. If you play like everybody else is playing, it is not going to work. Okay, so this is the video. Just put in a couple of features and benefits over here. I'm not big on writing copy, as you will be able to see from here, but mention that it is free without need of entering a credit card. Let's get you grooving. You don't only get the software, you get awesome trainings, live Q&As, full build Mondays, awesome support, and things like this. You need to mention what are the benefits. You don't only get the most as I said here, once you join Groove, you will not only have an awesome platform to create your sites and pages, but following as well. So everything that the people will need once they have a software. Once you create your product, you create more problems. So let's say you signed up for GroovePages, then you have another problem. First, the problem was I didn't have a software to use. Now that the second problem, I have a software to use, but I don't know how to use it. Then the third problem, okay, now I know how to use it, but how do I attract traffic? Okay, now I have traffic, then how do I keep the traffic? Then everything you do, there will be another problem and another problem. Try to think ahead what your customers' problems will be, the next step and the next step once they join you through this link, and try to solve these problems with your bonuses. So everybody can have different bonuses, okay? So in case you're in the flower market niche, what will those customers' problems be? Okay, so they join now your affiliate link, and what will be the next step? What will be the next problem they will have? Okay, so I join now, but I don't have a template to work with. So this is where you create your bonus. You create a nice flower shop template and you give them. Okay, so now the next problem. What is the next problem? Then you solve this, then you solve this, and this is how you go out and create your bonuses. And then this is where I go into my bonuses. Note these pictures, these images, I just Googled course mockup. I'll explain you in a moment how you can create those, but I just copied a couple of images here into my website, into this build, so that I don't need to create my own just for this training, okay? So you will not only get the access to the most powerful internet marketing software free, but this as well. And then bam, 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 bam. But there's more. Bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, and a couple of testimonials. OMG, this is absolutely bonkers, says Jane Doe. And then your links will need to go on a very, very targeted, like eye-catching buttons. So this is what I want to share. You have one link, but you will need to put it on different places on the page, because you want you will catch the attention of different people on different parts of your page. Somebody may already join over here. Okay, show me. Somebody can join in. Sure, I'm in, but I want it now. And then I don't know, I'm sold, give me everything. And then basically sometimes people join immediately. Sometimes people need a bit more information. Sometimes people will read through everything and then go back and then decide. So you need to give them, you need to make it easy for them to sign up wherever they are on their journey. Okay, so now they learned about this. Maybe they want to join. Okay, they maybe need more information. So maybe not, they need to join now. They want to join now. So things like this. Yeah, so this is what we will be building out today. It is pretty simple because we have already a template that you can use. So I will stop talking, and then let's just jump in. I will create this page as another page on the same site. So when you go into the templates, the template that I was using is this one over here. You can play with the other templates. This is just, I found it nice, so I use this one. Okay, so once we select, this is the template, how it looks like. So as you can see, I didn't change a lot on my page over here. I just filled in the blanks, changed a couple of colors, pasted in my pictures and images, and then I'm good to go. So this is what you can do as well. You don't have to recreate everything. You can start with templates as well. Most of my videos are on creating everything from scratch. In this video, I really wanted to jump in and then show everybody what you can do with your templates that you have already inside your platform. So let's just start working on it. So I want to achieve this look. So as you can see, we don't have a navigation bar with a logo over here. So I will delete this. What I have is this part, okay, and I will paste in the video that I want to use. As I said, I suggest you to create your own video. Even though you're shy on camera, nobody will care about that. What they care is what you have to say. Sometimes I'm here in just like sweatpants, and it's like the camera is sometimes not good and my hair is all kinds of messy, but what I have to say is the most important. So yeah, just start and then get better later on. Yeah, so I want to paste in the video from here. I will just click on the share and then copy over this one. You can just go over to YouTube and get it from there, but I don't suggest it. Please create your own. Okay, and then here we can go in and then actually paste in the YouTube link. We need to delete the first part and just leave everything that is after the dash. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and just click update. Now it updated. Perfect. Let me actually jump in and answer a couple of questions here. Tell me this, guys. Did you think that my presentation on the intro was good? Did you learn something? Did you see something on here, something that you will be implementing? Please just type in the comments if you learned something that you will actually be able to work with. I want to see you in the comments answering that you will not be as everybody else is. Just tell me if you saw anything or heard anything that you will be able to use. Okay, I have Barry already saying, yes, great ideas, awesome. I hope, Barry, to see you and messaging me, hey, David, thank you very much. Because of you, because of your advice, I managed to do something good. Okay, I have Linda saying helpful, love the niche concept, exactly. Niche down and provide relative bonuses, exactly, Brian. Facebook user, yes, good idea, specifically the launch date. Exactly. Carol is saying most definitely. Christine, yes, always. Robert saying very good, awesome. Jerome saying, yes, I will be unapologetically me. This is what I want to hear. Be you guys. Don't be Simon. Don't be Mike feels same. Don't be anybody else. People want to see you. People want to hear from you. Why did Brian Tracy and Tony Robbins become Brian Tracy and Tony Robbins? Because people like them. People like their personality, because they got on camera, they got out and then show their personality. You don't have to stand on the stage in front of millions to show your personality. You can start small, record a video, create a page, put in your personality in the bonuses. People love this. Believe me, people will jump on your email list and wait for the email when you are sending out your offer next time. Believe me, in case you did good, then this is what people will want. Okay. How to integrate into Facebook ad. This is something I will be showing later on. I'll definitely be niching down. Exactly. Sorry, where did you start? GroovePages, Groove Affiliate. Just jumped in. I missed where you are. Anyway, you'll be able to see the replay later on. Yes, every time I attend, you give nuggets. Awesome. That's my goal. I'm learning a lot from you, Donald says. Exactly. I'm trying to teach a lot, and I'm trying to teach like the core of the, some people like say the theory, and then you may be doing this, then you may be doing, I'm telling you exactly what you need to do. Show your personality, give out bonuses, create awesome pages, and then don't do what everybody else is doing. We'll definitely add bonuses. Exactly. Really appreciate. Got awesome idea. Okay. Syed, yes, I will be able to do it. Yesterday created Groove softwaresuite.com. I will update that with what I learned today. Exactly. So you're teaching us to make problems. You're a pal. I am. You need to go out there and make problems and then give solutions to problems. Every business in the world is solving a problem. Coca-Cola is solving a problem of thirst. McDonald's is solving a problem of getting meals quickly and good meals that even kids will love. I don't know, even the pet rock had a purpose: make people laugh, or give it as a gift so that you see your friends happy. Every product in the world is solving a problem. If you actually give out a product, if you solve a problem for them, and then you give out a product and you can solve the next couple of problems, you think ahead, you can solve those problems, people will love you for that one. Believe me, they do. This is something I learned from the teachings of people that are in funnel business, in funnel building and designing funnels. They actually do these upgrades and upsells on the problems that the core offer, sorry, the core software or the core product will solve. So you sell your product, it solves a problem, but it creates another problem. So you can create an upgrade or an upsell on that one. This product will solve the previous problem, but your upgrade and upsell will create another problem. And this, you can sell loads of stuff. Okay. Brum, brum, brum. Have you actually fixed affiliate program issues? I'm not quite sure what issues. I have Robert Rodriguez typing in his own page. I will have to go and have a look at it later on. Missed a lot of step-by-step how to do it. Okay, well, there are step-by-step guides. You can watch the replay after I'm finished, but let me just get into and then actually make this page. I will be copying over this text because it will take ages for me to type it out. Okay, and for copy, for the text that you write on your page, this is also where you need to type in basically type with your personality. In case you're saying "oh my god" or any of these phrases very frequently, use it in your copy of your emails, use it in your copy of your page. People want to see your personality, even if you're sometimes like a bit too much. There are some people who will like you, there is some people who will not like you. This is the same with everybody. You don't need to appeal for everybody. You need to appeal for the people that actually like you. Okay. So yeah, I want this bold. I want to make this okay. So I got into this talking now and I'm doing the website. I'm still thinking what I said and what I need to say. So yeah, I want to make all the text on my page pop-ins, and I want to make the colors a bit brighter. It is not full black because it's a bit too hard. I want to make it a bit brighter black. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, free. And then I don't know if you use this a lot. I use it sometimes when I'm bolding a part of a text, and then the next part I want to also make it stand out. I use the underline. Okay, then it looks like this. They immediately focus on the free, and then they see this one without the need of entering a credit card. So when I'm actually building a pages with, I'm not doing that a lot, but in this case, sometimes there is some things that are broken. For example, I want to click on this text over here and start editing the text. However, if it is not actually showing up, this is something I already reported to our developers. They are actually going in and redoing the templates. But for this case, I can just pull in another of these icon list items. So this is an icon list item. It says it even on here, but I will use my own. Okay, so I delete this one. And now when I click on the text, I can double click it and edit the text. So I'll just copy over this text, build 3 awesome websites. Okay, paste this in. And then change over the icon. The icon, when you click on it, here in the upper right hand corner, there is a configure tab. Once you click inside where the text is, you can select everything and you can just type in what you're looking for. For example, I'm looking for a check mark. So I type in check, and then I can choose this one. It needs a bit of time to load, but then you need to play around with this one. I think XL is the size I want, and I will just choose this type of color. Yep, perfect. And now I want to make my font pop-ins and make it a bit slide over from the icon. So I will just choose the padding and then slide a bit like that, 0.5 rem. Okay, so I chose now the text over here. I want to choose the list icon, which will be choosing the check mark, the icon, and then the text all together. You can see now this green outline selecting both of these. And now using the spacing, I can move it away from the upper text, from the enter your credit card part, this way. So I just moved it away. I just separated it apart so that it is a bit more obvious what we are speaking about. Okay. So these three were the ones that we couldn't edit, even though I click on it, I cannot edit it. This is a bug in the templates. So I will delete these, and I will just click over here on the text, go up one so that my list icon is chosen, and then I will duplicate these over here. Okay, actually just one at the moment. I will delete the spacing like that, and then I will duplicate it. Yeah. Okay. I have Muhammad saying, actually, I know all the strategy, but actually you are motivating me to start promoting as soon as possible. And the course mockup is a good idea to design stunning photos from the products. Exactly. So in case you are, for example, targeting photographers or targeting people that sell courses, this kind of course mockups are very good to give as bonuses. What I wanted to actually say that I forgot, when you are creating, or I can mention it later on, but when you are creating bonuses or products or something like this, you need to present it in a physical or a way that the person can actually see it and then maybe even feel it. For example, this is a course. This is an image for a course that this Janet Soriano created or had created. She's presenting her website or a course or something, and then she is presenting it in these different mediums, in these different devices. It immediately looks something that you can purchase. It immediately looks physical or something that you can actually get. Once you're saying, oh yeah, I'm selling a course, it doesn't mean a lot for somebody. But when you send somebody an image, I'm selling a course, then this means something to somebody that actually they can get their hands on and they actually want this one. I don't even know what this is. As Stuart's Moneymaker Ultimate Passive Income Blueprint, it is probably old and I don't even care what is inside, but it looks cool and I want it. So this is what you need to actually achieve with your own products as well. In case you're selling a service, you can also maybe not a box, but you can create like a different type of box, a different type of something that they can access to. For example, a voucher or something like this one, an image on a tablet. I don't know, a free voucher for a dental cleaning. I don't even know what you sell, but you can present it in a presentable way like this. And once you put it on a site, on your site, an image that looks like this, looks professional, it will attract more eyeballs on that one. So if you are creating or selling a product, please listen to me. Get created these mock-ups. It is selling your products like crazy. You can also sell your products without it, but this is a visual representation of what you are selling, and some people are visual people. For some, you tell a story and they hop on the opportunity, but for some, you actually need to visualize what you are selling, and then this will be helping you a lot. Okay, I have Carolee. I will just answer this question quickly. When I created an icon list like the one you showed, the text alignment following the icon was off. I adjusted it using the padding and spacing. However, I had to do that on each device, phone, tablet, etc., so that it was properly aligned on each device. Is this the only way to do this, or is it something in the layout that will enable uniform layout? So, Carolee, if you were doing this very recently, the responsiveness at this moment is are having some bugs, and this is because we are implementing the new spacing with your mouse, so it will be basically easy later on um, to space out the items. For example, I want to move this one away from this one, so it will be very easy. I just click and drag and I moved it apart. At this moment, you need to play still with the spacing options and then REMs and pixels and paddings and margins. Later on, it will be all with your mouse. So this is what we are trying to implement uh, for uh, for the whole website in the editor, and we are building this from scratch. There's a couple of other sites and builders that do this, but we are doing our own, coding our own. So this may take a bit of time, and then also to make it responsive. So this is at the moment, this is why we are having a couple of difficulties with the responsiveness, because new features are being added on, which will make it easier later on. So if we wait out this couple of days or weeks until this is fixed, it will be much simpler to do anything later on. These paddings and spacings, I actually don't like them over here. I really am waiting for this scrolling, and basically you will just click and then pull it apart. Okay, so you know how to put in the text in here. Just double click and then you just type in the text. What I want to show you is how I get the same style of the buttons on all my buttons. So I want to make the background this type of yellow over here, and I want to type in, okay, show me this. Of course, I need to change it to pop-ins, and maybe a bit bigger. No, that's fine like this. Okay, so now I have designed my button, let's say. Maybe play with a hover. I want to add on the background maybe a bit darker yellow. So when I hover over it, then it saves. Okay, and now I go in, I'm still on my button. I'm going to the global styles, and I can save the button to yellow button. Okay. So later on, when I come over here, I will just click on it. I will click on the global styles, and I will just paste it in. Okay, my background color moved a bit. It doesn't matter. Let me just edit it. It inverted the hover. So let's just take off the hover effect. Okay. I will take off the hover effect. I don't want it because it seems that it is doing a bit of challenges. So let's just leave it at the yellow button. So I will save it one more time. Edit styles. Okay. Delete. Can I promote myself as the grouchy guru? I don't know what that means, but if you want to be called a grouchy guru, me personally, in case somebody says, oh, I'm a guru, I just disregard that person immediately. I don't want to be learning from gurus because they think very highly of themselves. I want to learn from down to earth people. So this is just me. Somebody can be like, oh, gurus. I'm not like that. I'm like, okay, I want to learn from David, or I want to learn from Carolee and Gary. But if you want to call yourself a guru, you can go ahead, you can do that. I'll just type in button. Okay, so click on this one here, global styles, button, perfect, here we go. So I just go and configure, sure, I'm in. and then I will be copying over the other parts of the text. So in here, as you can see, there is this icon list items, and then below that I pulled in a heading 3, like that. I paste in my text and then change the font to Poppins. Here we go. So the first part is I think almost exactly the same. The background image we need to change. So I will click on the block in the background. You need to see here it says block, and also in the menu on the bottom it says block. We click on the background section. I want to delete this image and then choose a one that I like. I just pulled in an image from the free stock photos. I will be using that one. I think I typed in business or something like that, and then I found this. And then I want to add on the background, so it looks something like this. Okay, I love this one, so I will continue with the next section. Here, as you saw, this button is in the middle of the container, and then it moved also in the middle of this container. But I want to move it on the side, so everything starts from here. So I click on the button, and I can see, when you see this green green dot next to one of these elements, then it means that something there was changed. So I go here into the spacing, and then I want to move this one over like this to be 0. Now you can see that we aligned everything on the left hand side. Okay, in here I will just paste in my text that I wrote earlier, make sure that the font is the one I want. You can probably do better design than me. I'm not in love with using templates. I usually create my own. As you know, I love saying model what works and then create your own. This is something that that everybody has access to, and I wanted to solve the problem of, ooh, I don't know how to design that site. This is something that you can just click, change over the fonts, change over the colors, put in your images, and then you are good to go. So this is why I'm creating this from template. There is no other reason. I don't love using templates. I love creating templates. As you will see very shortly, I will be creating a couple and giving them away. So yeah, I love creating my own, and then hear from the people if they like it, if they're not, because this is how I love learning. I love creating something and then asking people for their feedback. Okay, so I want to put in an icon instead of these images. So once you click on this one, it says that this is an image, but I want to put icons like on over here. So I just went into the elements, into the media tab, and there is an icon element. I can pull it over here and then click on the image and delete the image. So I don't need the image anymore. Okay, I can come over to the icon, click on it, configure, and then choose what I want. So in the first section, I will be talking about trainings. So mention a book something that represents training, and then I will put it in a yellow color. Okay, now you see you clicked update, but the color didn't update. It will once you click on the icon itself. Okay, so now I clicked on it and it updated the color. So over here, I wanted to say awesome trainings. I have Saeed saying, I'm feeling motivated, love this video. This was exactly my point. I'm so happy that I managed to do that one. Once I see people motivated after I said something, there's no better feeling than that. And this is how your customers will be feeling. In case you say something, you help them, and then they say, oh my God, thank you very much for helping me. you will feel so good. There is no better feeling than feeling good after you helped somebody. Okay, trainings, I'll just leave it as it is. Live Q&As. Okay. So I've seen a lot of people's sites, and I have to say you can create pretty awesome stuff. Some of the things that I saw from other people, for example, Carolee's website is just amazing. She simplified it so much. Um, I don't want to show it to you guys because then you will go in and copy her site. I don't want to open it in front of you, but yeah, I mean, you should see it. It is amazing. And it's not only her site, like a lot of people in the Facebook group created something that I would never imagine that is possible with this software. It is not hardcore or takes a lot of time. It's just that this software is so complex. You can create so many awesome and different things that I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. So I want to delete this one, delete this one. That is just basically up to your creativity. It is, you can use this software for so much more than what I'm showing you here. This is what I want to get to. Full build Mondays. Okay, full build Mondays. This is what we are doing at this moment. We are doing a full build of an affiliate page, and I want to do here a hammer. Okay. David, we appreciate your training. Please keep up the great work you are doing. I want to show you something else later on. This is not everything I'm working on. I'm working on something that I've been promising in a couple of previous videos. I think a lot of people will be happy with that one. Will be starting to ask me, "Oh, when is your video coming?" Soon. I will show you in a second what I created. Some of the people in the comments, they already know about it and they were helping me create this. Actually, I need to show you now. Why am I talking about it around? I want to show you. This is something that I wanted to create for a long time now. I am starting to create a course. It will be a mini course on creating a full website. This will be available for everybody that joins. I will try to do it as non-branded as possible so you can give it out as a bonus as well. I don't suggest you to do that because everybody will be doing it. But if you want to do it, you can. Okay. So I will create a full website build using GroovePages. And I don't mean the one-page website like I created a couple of weeks ago. I do mean a full website, like a homepage, contact page, about us page, terms and services, privacy policy, all the legal stuff. This will be a site on drop servicing. So I will choose a niche or a niche, and then I will create a local website. I will do a local business website. So this will be a business that has a physical location in Google Maps or on a real street that you can drive to, open doors, get in there, and then buy something. Okay, so this is what I mean by a physical business. We'll discuss this intro. I'm recording this week, so this is what my goal is, to record it this week, and then we will be brainstorming on products. I will show you how I brainstorm the products. What is everything that I just told you? What is the core offer, and then what is the upsell? What could be the downsell? What problems can I solve? Then we will be jumping in, creating the products in GrooveSell. We will set up our PayPal. We will set up our Stripe. We'll connect the payments to the products. So we'll just take the widgets from GrooveSell, connected to GroovePages. I showed this in previous videos, but most of this stuff was broken down and not connected. And I want to do a full course. If somebody jumps on it, at the end, they will actually have a site where they where they really go and make money. Okay, and I will be giving out bonuses as well. I will not tell you everything. I just want to show you the first part. You can probably rewatch the replay and then pause this video where I show the rest. But anyway, so there will be a product setup, and then we will build out the website, and I will go into the basic SEO and then tracking and analytics and really, really in depth for everything you need to have a success, everything you need to have on a successful business. So the first part is coming this week. The next part is coming later. Don't know when, don't know the exact date when this will be finished. But yeah, I see. I can't wait to do this course. Christine says, "Oh my God, David, you're freaking rock." This sounds amazing. And this is what I want to do, guys, to you. As Mike Filzame says, we are a software company and we want to give you an awesome software and then make you succeed. There is companies outside that would create a course like this and then sell it for thousands of dollars. I could actually go out there and sell it for thousands of dollars, but this is not my point. I don't want to make money off of you. I think um, you would appreciate more and trust us more once we give something like this to you. This is a very high value. This will probably take me a couple of weeks to do. Oh, I didn't want to show you this. But yeah, I want to give you a full chance of success. I don't want to like do these short videos and then go away and then duct tape it together. What I want to do is give you real life examples of how to do it. Or I don't know what I used. Hands. Okay. Okay. Jerome saying, I can't wait. Very kind, David. Thanks. I'm not sure. Come on with it. If this is with the build or with the new course. But anyway, let's just go on. Yes, we have this part. Now we are building out this part where I actually put in and I found this image from here. So this is one of these images. I just don't know which one, but you can go out there and create your own images. If you want, there is a service called Fiverr, fiverr.com. You just type in course mockups. Course mockup. Then you can, for example, hire this guy. He has built loads of these mock-ups. There is this guy as well. Some of them are like 10 euros or approximately $10. And so, and then there is loads more. In case you are selling a book, you can find people that do books. In case you're doing some other products like t-shirts or something else. For example, look at this one. This is a digital product mock-up. You can go out there and purchase already from $5 up to, I don't know, 32 euros, $32 or 30. I think it's like approximately $35 or so. You can create already these, which is awesome, and it doesn't take your time. They do it for you. And then it looks good. It looks really professional on a website. If you want, you can do that yourself as well. And then this will be my bonus over here. Learn how to create awesome mockups. I will give you this presentation. You will be able to learn how to do these yourself. I just went through one mockup, but you can create multiple ones and then put them together on a same image. And then this you will get today at the end of the presentation. Okay, let me just jump in back and then upload this image. Okay, so Holly Barnes, love it, David. The course, said one. So yeah, it is coming. It is coming. Carolee asked, when the developers make any changes, updates, will it impact any pages that were built prior to the changes? It shouldn't, but I cannot say it definitely will not. It shouldn't affect any changes. However, sometimes in case it is a big update or something, Carolee, it could affect, but we are going to try to minimize any damages. Of course, we know somebody is already running successful businesses using these GroovePages websites, so we don't want to do any of this. It could be that the sites go down, like it was last week. A couple of times the server went down, and then you could not access the builder. But we are trying to minimize every damage. It is on us if something fails, because having a lot of customer is a good thing and a bad thing. If something bad happens, we will be hearing from a lot of you. So we are trying to do everything in our possibility that doesn't happen. So as you can see over here, the image is on the top of the page of this container, but I want to make it in the middle. So I will click on the container itself. You can click on the image and then choose the container below the image. When you click on the layout, you can choose the vertical, and then this one over here. Then it will pop it in the middle. So this is aligning it vertically, but in the middle. So now this is what we did over here. And then we can also make sure that it is in the middle, but it is touching the edges, so it will stay in the middle. And then over here, I want, is it okay if we over deliver? Because if you offer bonuses on something that it is free, you are over delivering. Okay, actually want pop-ins. And then over here, I just want to copy over this text. Question: what is the ETA of being able to import other websites? Barry, I suggest you to watch the State of Groovion. You will be able to click on one of the links that Christine shared earlier. I cannot find it. Anyway, it will be also in the presentation over here. It's your time to shine now. Once you click on this link over here, it will load in the State of the Groovion video where Mike talked about this specific question. So as you remember, the icon list item we cannot edit, so I will just copy it from here. I will copy the middle one, but I will make sure that the list icon, the whole one, was chosen. I will duplicate it, and then using this, I will just drag it over, pop it on the top. It is black, it is not visible, but once we double click it, we actually know where it is. We can put it on white, and then using the text, we chose the icon, as you can see here, fa-icon. We can also edit it using the text editor. So here, and now we made it white. Okay, and now we don't need the rest, so we can delete. So these are some tips and tricks that you can do. Icons can be edited using the text panel over here on the right hand side sidebar. Okay, and then this one is already in pop-ins, but just to fit, I will make it this. Okay, I'll just leave 4 of these. The button I will rename over here. I want it now, and apply the style, which is button. Okay, we have that done. It looks good. And then we can do these ones. So over here, I mentioned some of the other bonuses, but there is more. And then bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, and then testimonials, call to action, footer, and then we are good to go. So here, as you can see, there is no place to pull in another element. So what I want to do is actually pull in a container on the top, and then here pull in the text. Okay, I actually didn't do it correctly. Here, so header 2, here we go. Okay, now I have it. So I want to choose the container, I want to choose the layout, and space it in the middle. And so vertical, middle, and then I can play with the text. So I want it to be Poppins, I want it to be big, and I want it to say, but wait, there's more. Okay, and then when I choose the container, I can push the rest down using the margin. So I chose the container over here, and then I'm pushing down the margin, the lower part, using this bottom margin option. Okay, so now here I'm just popping in the other images. These are the images I downloaded from Google. I will not be using it for any other purpose except to show you this build. So these will not be going out to the public. And then over here, I'll just type in bonus 2. Bonus 2. Okay. Poppins. And then here as well, Poppins. Okay, so what I can do as well, I can just copy over the style. So create a new style for this paragraph text. I will call it text. And I will call this heading. So I will not need to go in and change the every time the font and everything over here. I'll just choose the heading style. Heading. Okay. So I click on this text. I go to global styles and choose heading. And I click over here. I don't need to change the text. I just come over here and then choose text. I just type in bonus 3 here, configure, choose image, select this one, come over here, select this one over here, bonus 4. So you do realize that everything I'm doing is doable by you. That is not something hard. You can go out there and then you can create your page. It is pretty simple. So just take one of these pre-made templates, you change over your fonts, change over your colors and images, and then you are on your way to conquer the world. Just as I mentioned already, make it specific to you. In case you make it as I'm doing it now, okay, there's another bug. As I'm doing it now, it is not something that you will be able to continue. For example, there is a new product that comes out. You will need to create another page, another landing page for the new offer, if in case you want to promote it. In case this one. In case you create your own website in your style, you will be able to recreate it very easily for the new offer as well. So it will be yours. This is what I'm trying to get at. So don't try to copy over. I know that there is this feature of GroovePages where you can actually copy over other people's work. Don't do that. This is stealing. It is not ethical and it is not fair. Imagine you create your sites for a couple of hours and then you go out there and Google something similar to what you are doing and then you see your site. How would you feel? It's not nice. So just go out there and really create your own. Nobody can steal your personality. This is your own. Okay. I discovered a new bug. I don't know if you saw it, but once I click on this testimonial, the background disappears. This is good that I figured this out, because then I can go ahead and report it. And this is fine. So I go in there. I need to choose the container, select the background color, and then using the border, I make it rounded over here. Okay. and then I come into the text and just press a couple of spaces or a couple of and I press enter a couple of times so that it goes below, and then all of the boxes now are the same size. This one is black, but we can make it this other color. Okay, awesome. So now we have already the style for our button saved. So I will just click on the button. I will rename it, okay, I'm sold, give me everything. As you can see, the text doesn't fit the button, so we would need to go into the sizing and then increase the width. These are the size of the sides, so that you can see the sides are increasing, and now I think I can leave it at 700 pixels. It looks good. Call to action, I will not be changing this one. I just want to edit the button. Get me everything now. Okay, and then design, as you remember, we saved the style, and then I just apply it here and increase the sizing, and then I'm good to go. Let me just jump over here. I saw that it is disappearing, but will be offered for a little longer, but the time will stop is unknown. That should create urgency. I mean, Said, if you're talking about these backgrounds, this can be fixed. So this is not a big issue. I will report it anyway because it is a bug, but there is a way around it. So once you click on it, basically you choose the container, you pop the background color to white, and then you just make the borders round, and that's it. I don't know if this was for me, but anyway, can we use this with ClickBank affiliate link, and how can we do it or use it? I mean, you get your link from the thing you want to promote from ClickBank, you create a site for it, and then just on the buttons, you click on it, configure, and then it says here link to. You just click the URL, and then you paste your URL over here. You can also open it in new tab. This will make the guest, the visitor, have your site still open in a new tab or in another tab while he does the things on ClickBank. He will still have this your site open for a bit longer. This is good because Google recognizes that your site is open on somebody's browser. So this is good for Google to know that somebody's actually on your site or somebody has your site opened. Brum, 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 brum. Okay, I have a couple of off-topic questions, but I will just continue with this one over here. So on the footer, this part can be edited, and I will just type in here 2020 David Lemon. Okay, but these links, once you click on it, you cannot really edit it. There is no configure button over here, but this is not a problem. We can come to the Elements tab, scroll down, choose text link, and then pull it over here. Let's say we leave it here. We click on the over here where it is dark, and then we can change the text color to white. Bum, it showed up. So now as we have our text link, we can actually delete these. These bugs happen, guys. I'm not sure if I told you this already. We in Groove Digital have two platforms. One is this is not going to be published for you guys, but this is something that our designers are working with. They have their own platform used to build out templates. It is called a template builder. And when an update is published to GroovePages, it sometimes breaks the template builder. So this is why these changes, a couple of these elements are buggy in the template. But don't worry, this is fixed. This is being fixed as we speak. So we don't have to worry about anything like that. But now we pulled in the link element. I just type in privacy policy. Okay, and then you can link it up later on over here, link to, but I just want to to copy it over. And if I click out, you can see that they're very, very close together. So I will click on the second privacy policy and then do some margins. I think 1 REM margin is fine. And then I can copy this one over and do also 1 REM margin here. So my second link will be called disclaimer. And over here will be the terms of service. Okay. So this is very important, guys, in case you are, this didn't change. In case you are going out and doing promotion with paid advertising. Once you go out there and then publish this site, you give Facebook ads this site, and they don't see that you have anywhere on your page privacy policy, disclaimer, or terms of service, I think 98% chance that Facebook will just decline you immediately. In case you put these on, Facebook actually has its robots that are searching your sites, that are you give your site to Facebook to be crawled, and Facebook is crawling in case you have all these things in place, because the websites that don't have this in place are most of the times the one that were created very quickly, very in rush. So they most of the times are very spammy, and the visitors or the customers that go and actually purchase something through those sites report these kinds of sites to Facebook. So Facebook made these crawling bots very, very aware of these links in the footer or anywhere actually on the page. Privacy policy, terms of service, disclaimers, different type of GDPR things are very important for Facebook, because if you don't have those, it is high probability that your site will be just declined and never even looked at. Okay, so I think we have everything done at this moment. Let's just save it. I will not be giving you this site because this is available in the templates. So once you open this one over here, you can just choose a template. I was working with this one, but you can choose any other templates. There will be more templates coming soon, but yeah, you can just work with anything that you saw there. This fit the cause that I wanted to show you and I wanted to talk about. So this is why I use this template. You don't have to, but you can. So now, once we have this site built out, I will go into the Groove Partner Program, Groove Affiliate Partner Program. So this is where you get your link. You click on the Groove Affiliate Partner Program, and then this page will load up. If you are new, if you didn't see this before, watch this video. This is Mike Filzame, the co-founder, and he explains everything you need to know about this affiliate partner program. So once you scroll even lower, then here you can see this affiliate program video explaining you what you can find here. But what we are interested in is our links. So once you click on the links, you just need to copy over this first one. Just click here to copy, or click on the text, right click, and then copy. And then we jump in back to our editor, and then all of the buttons that we have here, we need to click on it, configure, link to, URL, and then we just click paste, and then open in a new tab. Sometimes when you click it, the update button will not appear, but you click inside over here and just press any button on your keyboard. This is very important, because this field where we pasted our link, it didn't actually recognize that something was typed inside. So this is why the update button doesn't appear. But once you click left or right or anything there, it will actually recognize it as there is text inside, and then we can just click the update. Okay, so now we clicked update. We can go over here, configure this one. So URL, paste it in, open a new tab, update. Let's go on. I'll just do this quickly. So URL, open a new tab, this, okay. And then we have two more here. Okay, and then here as well. What is also very, very important, that you need to have a goal in mind. So when I was designing this site the first time, my goal was signups. This is the basic step that the person can take. This is the first step that the person can take once they click on your link. So let's say, okay, now I publish this site. This is my site on the internet, and I'm a visitor. Now I go up here and I click this one, and then I am actually going to the sales page. When I'm in the sales page, I should sign up. If I don't sign up, then this was not a successful referral. However, if you're talking on your website about, yeah, buy this, buy that, before you have any trust from the people that visit your page, it will be a very, very hard task. So what I suggest is to focus on signups. Don't get into immediately pushing the sale. Get into signups, get people to know you first, introduce yourself, then maybe once they sign up, then maybe email them a couple of times before actually asking the sale. Once you have signups, what is good about this one is that we are not even pushing out emails from our side yet. We will be starting very soon. So in case, let's say, you managed to get I don't know, a couple hundred of signups and you only had 2 sales, don't worry about it. This should make you very, very happy, because once we start pushing out our emails like, guys, there is only 3 days to go to purchase the lifetime offer, you need to act on it now, you will still get the referral, because as you remember, this is a hard coded referral program. So the first sign up gets the link, gets the sale. So even if you have the signups, even if you focus on signups on your landing pages, this is a good thing, because once we start sending out emails, you don't have to do much, because people will like the offer, people will feel the urgency. Okay, there's 3 more days, okay, I need to go and buy now. So yeah, just focus on signups first. Don't push the sale. It is not as important as you may think. It is more important for the people to get to know you, maybe to give you their email address or something like this. Every page should have only one action, one call to action. So this call to action is, we are sending them to sign up to our link. Okay, on our previous build that I created, lemonmedia.online, the goal of the page was to give us their name and their email address. So this was the same thing. Once they give us their name and email address, they press submit, they go over to our affiliate link. But in this build, what we created is not the case. In this case, the goal of the page is to get a sign up. Once we start sending out the emails, those sales will be popping in from left and right. Just focus on the signups. This is my recommendation. Okay, let me just get a couple of questions answered. Mhm. Okay, so Saeed was answering to somebody else. Okay, this one I answered. This one I answered. If you have any questions now, you can pop it in. I will be replying to some answers to some questions now, and then I will be giving you your bonuses because you earned it. I see we lost quite a few people from the start of this video, but you, the ones that stayed, you will get those bonuses. Okay, or from Carolee, when I create the icon list. Okay, I think I answered this one already. Let me see. There was a question at the beginning. Okay, from Jeff Wells. Can you please show how to adjust spacing using 3x3x3 layout, block to accommodate with changes from desktop to mobile, specifically I have 3 buttons, one in each of these containers across the full width of the layout. When I select the mobile width, only one of the buttons is visible. Okay, let's play with this now. I do have to tell you guys that even there is a feedback.groovefunnels.com. If you see in progress mobile responsiveness was working then broke in GroovePages bugs. So this is what I'm talking about. It was working, but now it is broke. It is in progress. So this is being worked on at this moment. So just come in here, vote on it so that it gets done much quicker. But I will try to demonstrate it, Jeff, for you now what you are trying to achieve. I'll start on a new page. So what you are asking, if I understand correctly, that you have something like this. This is basically a block with a 3 containers on it. You have a button on each of these. So I'll just pull in this button over here. And then once I choose the container over on the bottom here and go into layout, I can align it vertically in the middle. I will just apply the style of the button over here and then just delete any spacing on the top that I may have. Here, now I have a button in the middle. So I'll just duplicate it 3 times, pop it over here, and pop it over here. This is what I think Jeff is asking me. What I will still do is center it in each of these containers. So vertical and then middle. Just delete the spacing. So if this experiment fails, then this is due to the bug. So I want to apologize already that if it doesn't work, then this is because it is out of our reach. It is in the developer's hands. So what he is asking on how to actually do this layout, he said that it is full width. So the container, we will do sizing on full like that. And then once he 3 buttons, one in each container of 3 containers across the full width of the layout. Okay, that we got. When I select the mobile width, only one of the buttons is visible. Okay, let's just see. So on my part, it shows up. It shows all 3 of the buttons. I don't know why on yours it doesn't, but on mine it doesn't show the styling, even though we have the button selected. So this is, you see, it is on yellow. It's only on mobile. So I don't know, Jeff. I don't think that you did it as I did it. Maybe you can try to redo it the way I did it over here. It shows up all 3 buttons, but as you can see, because of the responsiveness bug, it is not applying all the styles as it is on these. So this was an experiment that successfully failed. So that's it. Is there any new questions? Let me just have a look. I came in late. Is the YouTube video you embedded in the page something we have access to? Yes, Chip. Once you go into the youtube.com/groove digital, this is our YouTube channel. And then this GrooveFunnels promotional video, the first one that you will see here, it says start here. This is the one that I just embedded. As I said at the beginning of the video, I suggest you to create your own. In case you go out and promote, create your own video. It will make you much bigger in the eyes of the customers that click on your website. It will look like you are the link between them and the software, and then you will feel they will see you as the expert, and then they will trust you when clicking on your link. So this is much more important than a sale that you do. Once people see you as an expert, once they believe in you, you can not only sell them this one software, you can actually go out there and actually help them solve other problems as well. So once you help somebody solve their problems, this is where the money comes in, and then the money is just a side product of you helping. This is what you need to focus on. Chad saying, I missed this, can I rewind or watch later? Absolutely, Jeff. Or sorry, Chad. Question off topic, but I have a question about the lifetime deal. I know that the price of the lifetime deal is increasing, but will the lifetime deal disappear altogether when the official launch? I'm just wondering how to create urgency if the lifetime deal price is not disappearing. Yes, so Carolee, this is a good question. As you may have seen in the State of Groovion video that you will be able to just easily click on from my presentation over here, Mike explains that maybe the lifetime deal is not disappearing at all. It will be a one-time offer. What that means is now you have the option to just click the upgrade button from your dashboard anywhere. Once you are not a paid member, you can click upgrade and then you can upgrade anytime. What the one-time offer means is that if you sign up for a free account, you will only see the offer once for upgrading to the lifetime. If you don't take it, you will be able to still opt in for the lifetime offer, but it will be much more expensive. You will get much basically less of the benefits. Your contact list will be much smaller. Your basically everything that you will get will be reduced to bare minimums. So this is where you can actually do a fear of missing out. Act now, because if you don't, then this and this and this will happen. There will be more information to come on that part later on. So once we decide, okay, from tomorrow, from the day after tomorrow, we will no longer have this price. Our prices are going way up. Then we will give you all the information you may need on continuing to promote. We, of course, want our affiliates to have all the informations to be able to answer questions. So we will be taking care of you guys. We will give all the informations all the information and also time to prepare in case any changes arise. Okay. Pum pum pum. I have J. Michael Seeley saying, when I tried duplicating the bottom links privacy policy, they stacked on top of each other. How did you get that to duplicate side by side? This is actually a good question. Let me just show you how to do this one. I had another person asking me this today, and I had to go and show that. Okay, so I have a blank page. This I will show you not with a footer, but I will show you with a different element, but this is the same thing that you need to do. Okay, I will show you with an alert bar. So I had a person I was helping today. This was somebody that wanted to put here a logo and a countdown timer. So what they did is actually pull in an image over here, and then it's stacked up on each other, and then she wanted to have here on the side, and then the countdown timer. The first time it did the same, but the next time it stacked up next to it. So what's the story? And then I went in and then explained that this is because of the container. Once the container is just display, you need to put it on inline flex. Then you can see now the image is over here and the text is next to it. Because the text and the image is too big, now everything below was pushed down. So let me just choose an image. And this will be our logo over here. Just type in lemon. Okay, it is too big. The logo is too big, but I will resize it using the sizing width in pixels. Then I can play with it like that. Okay. I will resize this text as well, make it smaller. Click on this container, layout, horizontal, and then in the middle. Okay, now this is next to each other. But I want to delete the button. I don't need this one. So now I have something that is aligned next to each other. So you saw what I did. I chose the container here, and then I went to layout and then flex. Once you click inline flex, that is mean flexing in the line of both elements. So Michael, this is the answer for your question. Just checking, can we change the copyright at the bottom of the page if we use one of the templates? I'm not quite sure what you mean. Do you mean copyright the one where I wrote David Lemon here? Yeah, of course. This is just text. This is the text icon. You can edit this one without any problems. So if this is what you're asking, then yes. Pum, pum, pum. Okay, I have Imelda Pines. Do you see my post? Imelda, I have loads of questions here. Let me try and find it. Okay. Hello, David. Good morning. Mel from in Tucson, Arizona. I was on the GrooveFunnels. Perfect. There was another question. Can you post link again, please, on the chat so people can click it on it and review, please? I don't know what link are you talking about. Please Imelda, if you can actually explain that one. David, can we see the landing page in Groove Academy? What landing page? The one that I'm creating. I will not be sharing it. This is just an educational video. You have it in the templates library over here. I use this one. So I think this is the time where I give you your gift. I really want to appreciate and thank you for staying so long. So I want to give you some bonuses. So as I was talking on bonuses and how easy it is to create, I went out and then found some niches that are pretty easy to start with. These are 43 untapped niches. Look at my bonus, guys. I went in there and then typed in or pasted in niches I found that are super easy to start with. For example, let's say I want to promote GrooveFunnels in some of these niches. So I find solar panel installation or solar panel companies, and then maybe reach out to them, or I find a group on Facebook where there are different solar panel companies, and then I actually share my link there or link to the website that I created with different bonuses that solar panel companies could be using, and then actually win their business over using this one. They would see you as an expert. They would see you and come to you with questions. So actually you would win over not only their click on the link, but maybe their business later on. So in case you decide, okay, I want to stay and design templates, and then I will focus on solar panel templates or solar panel company templates, or maybe get one of these companies to sign up to my marketing agency, which I'm starting now because it is so good. Everybody sees me as an expert. So just go in there: home swimming pool, laser hair removal, tattoo companies, office rental, real estate, dentists, divorce lawyers, supercar rental, landscapers, kitchen remodeling, wedding venue, life insurance. There's so many. There's 43 which you can use, which are not very used. So people don't go into these niches because sometimes they are boring, but some of these they pay big time. So divorce lawyers, I mean, these guys pay big time for their websites. If you do this, I mean, I told you I'm creating a website course on this. Imagine you just take divorce lawyers, and then you have my course in mind, and then you do step by step everything for example, a divorce lawyer company, and then you go out there and sell the template, not to sell, but you actually offer this affiliate link for these divorce lawyers, and then give a bonus of the template that you created using my course, and then actually you win over their business. That is 100% guaranteed. Jet charters, roofing contractors, home security. And this bonus was created very, very quickly, guys. Just type in untapped niches, boom. This cannot be copyrighted. This is just out there. Okay, so the second bonus is a playlist of affiliate training videos. So let me just show you. I collected these from YouTube. We created these walkthroughs, so GrooveFunnel walkthroughs of affiliate marketing using GroovePages. Then there is my video that I created last week on using bonuses. I'm telling you something about bonuses here, but I'm giving more information in this video. A complete guide on connecting domain to GroovePages. This was another video that I created. This is very important once you have your own domain and you want to publish your site on this domain. Then how to make money using GroovePages. There I also explain affiliate marketing and also other types of businesses you can get into already today using GroovePages. And then there is the Groove Partner Program walkthrough, and the Groove Partner Program is the one that you need to use. So this is the Groove Partner Program over here, and this is where these videos go through everything step by step, explaining you what there are. You can also see inside social media and what it actually does. So this is another bonus that I created for you guys. I collected all these videos in case you are into affiliate marketing. Watch this one first, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and then you have no questions left unanswered. Everything is answered. And then, of course, as I said, the third bonus is on how to create awesome mockups. As I said before, mockups are very important when you are promoting something that is not touchable, something that cannot be held in your hands. Then you need to create a mockup for the people that to represent your product visually, because this is how they actually imagine it, and it actually makes them want to buy the product. Not only that, guys, I collected some awesome resources to check, and then also Gary Lynn Baker, he's in there answering the questions. He did one of the things that I really liked, so I included his guide or keys to success post from Facebook. I just want to click in there quickly and then show you. I highly suggest you to read this through. I did it, I read it through, and it gives out very, very good information. So these are Gary Lynn's keys to success, and he went in there and wrote a very lengthy post of method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4 that you can actually go out there and use. And I highly suggest you go out there and read this through, because it is very, very awesome information that you need to know. Again, the State of Groovion video is here, how to create converting affiliate landing pages, and then how to create landing pages that convert. These are two different companies that wrote on same topic. So go out there, read it through in case you have any questions. Use the bonuses, use the things that you learned in this video, and I don't see how actually you wouldn't be able to succeed in the affiliate business. This is the link to the presentation, cutt.ly, so Cutley/lemon-affiliate-page. So HTTP, basically just type in Cutley/lemon-affiliate-page. You will be able to download this presentation with all the links to the bonuses, and then that is it. I will just jump in quickly to see if there are any questions there. Will this training be available later at work? Saw something about bonuses. Yes. I just mentioned everything about the bonuses. This is the link where you need to go to download the presentation. And when you rewatch the video, you will be able to hear everything that I said about everything that I said. Okay, Michael is asking questions. So contacts, how many email subscribers we can have in GrooveMail before we pay additional fee? Michael, I think this is 25,000 contacts with the platinum deal that you can purchase now. In case you didn't purchase it now, you will not have 25,000. You will have much less. I don't know if much less is a word, but yeah, you will not have 25,000. Okay. How do we access these bonuses? You can just come over here and then click on these links. Everyone drop an emoji to let David know you appreciate him doing these builds and for all the bonuses. Thank you very much, Christine. If you could, I would appreciate all the hearts that you could give me. And this is good bragging right as well when I'm showing a snippet of the comment section to Mike and John and Donna and everybody. Yeah, so in case you could post in some hearts and some yeah, thank you very much, Barry. Something like this, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, let me just see if there are any other questions. How do we access the bonuses? Your bonuses look awesome. Um, Chip has a good question. How do you add pixel tracking? Chip, I created a video on that one. Once you are in the Groove Digital Facebook group, search for Facebook Pixel. You will find a video from me how to connect Facebook Pixel to GroovePages. It is also available on YouTube, and this is just a link from YouTube. Click on it, connecting Facebook Pixel to GroovePages. This I created quite a long time ago, so you can see it. It still applies. Okay, so I'm getting the hearts. Thank you very much. Kimberly, you rock. David, Lemon. No, Gary, thank you very much for the awesome post. I really love it. Okay, Jerome is here. Joella Bauer, iMedia Marketing Solutions. Heather, thanks for your help and time. No worries, everybody. So I want to wrap this up. This was a video lesson on building out an awesome affiliate page using GroovePages. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I really, really do hope you will message me very soon as possible. David, here is my link of the site, and I managed to get so much and so many signups. This is what I want to see. I really want to see each and every one of you succeed in this business. It is really simple to do. I actually showed you step by step what you need to do. I told you how to create the bonuses. You saw my bonuses. These are just white pages with some text on it, but it really could help others. In case you do something like this for your own niche, in case you help your people, your customers, your targeted audience, they would not only be happy, they would find you as an expert. They would probably give you their email so that you can email them again and again in case you have some other offers. So this is the most important. Don't run for the sale, run for the signups, and run for the fame and the trust. Not the fame, the trust. If people believe you and see you as an expert, this is much more valuable than any money can give you. So that was David Lemon. I'm signing off. I hope you learned something useful, and then yeah, see you in the group. If you have any questions, please let me know. And then if you want to see some other trainings done, please head over to askgroove.net. This is something that I am supposed to use. Some of the things I cannot do yet because most of the stuff is being updated at this moment. But just type in here the things that you want to see. Ooh, I'm not quite sure how to do this. I want to see a video on this. I will actually go in there and then do a Loom video for you and actually post it out there so others can search and find it as well. So if you're struggling with something, just come over here to askgroove.net and then request it here. But yeah, I am wrapping this up. It has been a 2-hour video already, and yeah, I really do hope you succeed with this one. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the group. Bye bye.